You are the most competent person on your team. You're also the most overlooked. That is not a coincidence. That is the system working exactly as it was designed to. My name is YASA AI. I've spent 20 years inside the rooms most people on LinkedIn write about, but never actually enter. Companies like Wipro, HelloFresh, Zalando, and so many more. Director level, VP level, C-suite adjacent calls where careers get made or quietly killed in under 9 minutes. 1.5 million people follow my work. 500 million views across my content. The New York Times has run it. The HR magazines has run it. Mirror has run it. Recruiter magazine put me on their most influential list, none of which matters to you. What matters to you is that I know how this game is actually played at your level. I've spent 2 decades playing it, and I'm going to tell you the thing nobody at your level wants to say out loud. The reason your less competent peer just got promoted ahead of you is not because they outworked you. It's because they outpositioned you. You've been running on an operating system installed in you somewhere around the age of 14. The OS goes like this. If I am excellent, if I deliver, if I keep my head down and let the work speak for itself, the right people will eventually notice, and I will be rewarded. That OS is the most expensive lie in modern professional life. I call it the competence trap. And once you can see it, you can't unsee it. So here's the maths, the 10, 30, and 60 reframe. Promotion at director level and above is not 100% performance. It is not even 50% performance. The actual maths, after 20 years of watching it from the inside, is this: 10% performance, 30% perception, 60% strategic exposure to the people who decide. That is the equation. It does not care that you do not like it. It does not care that you think it's unfair. It is the equation that will or will not deliver your next title and your next $40,000, $50,000, $100,000 increase. And right now, you are pouring 95% of your energy into the 10%. So let me tell you what that costs. It costs you when you sit in a one-to-one with your boss and watch them struggle to articulate a single specific outcome you have personally driven this quarter, despite the fact you've been working 60 hours a week since January. It costs you when a peer who reports into the same VP gets pulled into the strategy offsite and you find out about it in the email 3 days later. It costs you when you get to the final 2 for an executive role and lose it to someone with weaker numbers, because the chair could not name a single project you had personally led from the front. That is the visibility cost. The invisible cost is worse. The invisible cost is what happens to a competent person when year on year they watch the wrong people win. The internal monologue starts. Maybe I'm not really cut out for this level. Maybe I should be grateful. Maybe this is as far as I go. That is not humility. That is the slow erosion of identity. And the system is engineered to produce that exact outcome in people exactly like you. So here is what I built and why I call it OVD. 3 pillars: sequential, none of them optional. Offer. This is the behavioral science of how senior people actually get evaluated and the frameworks for owning and validating your value externally. Not your resume, not your performance review, the articulation of what you do. What is it worth and why no one else in your company can do it the way you do it. Most people at your level fail at this in the first 7 seconds of any introduction. We fix that from day 1. Number 2 is value. This is your visibility map. Who decides, who influences the deciders, where value is actually transmitted in your organization, which is almost never the meeting you think it is, and almost always the conversation you're not in. We map your room. We identify your key players. We engineer how value lands in front of them, in the language they actually use. Lastly, we have deliver. This is the system work. Campaigns, cadence, the engineering layer that most senior people skip entirely because they think it's beneath them. Network engineering, brand engineering, promotion engineering, salary engineering, not networking, not personal branding, not hoping for recognition. Systems run on a cadence, producing a measurable financial status outcome inside 1 quarter. That is OVD, offer, value, deliver. And the reason it works for senior professionals when generic career coaching doesn't is that it was built for the operating environment you actually live in, not in the one in the textbook. I'm not theorizing. We have run this with senior professionals from the United States to Australia, the UK, Europe, Middle East, India, Singapore, 3 regional time zone tracks, 1 cohort, identical patterns. Senior professionals who came in convinced they had a performance problem, realizing inside week 3 that they actually had a positioning problem the entire time. The work shifts, the visibility shifts, the conversations they could not get into start coming to them. The product is the OVD Executive Accelerator. 12 weeks, cohort-based, designed specifically for directors, VPs, and C-suite professionals who are done waiting for the system to recognize them. Inside, you get 6 hours of live coaching with me every single week. Not pre-recorded, live. 3 regional time zones tracks so the diary never becomes the excuse. Theory sessions to lay the framework. Practical, ad hoc Q&A on the live situation in your inbox right now. The board paper that is not landing. The interview you have on Tuesday. The conversation you have with your CEO you have been avoiding for the last 6 months. We also have a masterclass library of more than 200 videos, over 20 hours of content, growing every month with new material. Promotion strategy material, politics and conflict, how to manage a boardroom, how to have executive presence, the diplomat playbook, request mastery for high-stake approvals, the full AI tool stack. We have role-play labs that simulate the conversation before you walk into it, the YASA AI coach for live strategic input between sessions, the resume reviewer, the LinkedIn generator. There are more, and we ship new ones into the cohort monthly. You also have your private peer network of senior operators at your level in your region going through this same fire, and lifetime access to every piece of content, every update, every cohort that comes after yours. If you tried to assemble this stack standalone, the realistic price tag is somewhere between $80,000 and $90,000. The early bird is $8,000. On a payment plan, a deposit followed by monthly payments. The total of a regular price plan is $12,000. Before you flinch, let me put that next to 2 things. One executive coach is $15,000 to $30,000 a year, and most of them have never operated above middle management. An MBA is $80,000 to $120,000, and it teaches you accounting. Neither one teaches you how to actually move at the top of a real company. And the cost of staying exactly where you are, missing one promotion cycle, is $30,000 to $100,000 a year, every year compounding. You're not deciding whether to spend $8,000. You're deciding which version of this you pay for and with which currency. 2 important things about how we run this. First, the founding cohort is closed. That's done. Already filled. The Executive Accelerator is the next group, and the price has moved up. The early bird window exists and it does not last. Second, we don't run this on first come, first served. We stagger enrollment in groups of 20, then we pause, then another 20. That way, every senior person who applies gets a fair window, not just the people fastest to a payment page, which means this is application based. You don't buy your way in, you apply, and if you are the right operator for this room, we'll let you in. So here's what I want you to do, and I want you to do it before you close this video. Go to ovdlab.com, take the free career assessment, 5 minutes. It will give you a diagnostic on where you actually are versus where you think you are. Same instrument I use with private clients. If the diagnostic confirms that you already half know, you book a clarity call. We have a real conversation, me and you, and we work out whether you are right for this cohort or whether you're not. That's it. No funnel theater, no fake pressure. You are competent. You have always been competent. Competence is not the problem. Competence has never been the problem. The question is whether the next 10 years look like the last 10, or whether you build the system that finally puts your work and your name in the rooms where it actually counts. Go to ovdlab.com, take the assessment, apply to the cohort, and I'll see you on the call.